Good afternoon, parents. Today we are going to understand and learn the letter formation of letter A, capital A and small a. So, let's start with capital A. For capital A, right from the red line down the hill to the left, again from the red line down the hill to the right to the second blue line, and then to the first blue line across the hill makes letter A, capital A. Let's again understand. It's from the first red line down to the hill to the second blue line. Again from the first red line down to the hill on the right side to the second blue line, and then across the hill on the first blue line makes capital A. Let's understand the formation of small a. For small a, between the two blue lines, make a curly C. Make a curly C. To the top, come down and give a kick. Let's see again. It's make a curly C between two blue lines. To the top, come down with a kick. Make small a. Now the sound of capital A and small a is A. The sound is A. Let's understand. Apple. Ant. Arrow. Thank you so much.